Hi everyone, welcome to StarAgile YouTube channel. I am Venkatesh, your project management coach. Have you ever wondered what project management really is and why it is such a crucial skill in current professional world? Whether you are managing a small, medium or a complex project, project management is a key to get the things done. Today, we are going to learn what really the project management is and its role in driving success of any business, life cycle of a project, and what is the project management process. Are you ready? Let's get started. It's like being a captain of a ship. You are steering from start to the finish and ensuring everything is on track. Project management is not limited only to the big corporations. It's pretty much applicable in all the industries, whether it is IT, construction, healthcare, or even creative industries. Now, let's understand the role of a project manager. The main role of a project manager is to make sure everything is running smoothly. It is not just completing the project within the time, but much more than that. You are dealing with resources, people, budget, risk, most importantly, communication. Project manager ensures the stakeholders are up to date with the status of a project until the finish. Project manager is a glue that holds everything together, solving problems, removing roadblocks, and ensuring team is working towards the same goal. Alright, what is the life cycle of a project? The life cycle of a project management has 5 stages. Mastering them can make or break the project. Let's get through them. The first stage of project management is initiation. This is where the idea of a project is generated. The goal of a project, the purpose of a project is defined. It is here where we finalize whether if it is feasible. Planning. Here's where the magic happens. You map out how the project will run, which includes timelines, tasks, resources, and budget. If initiation is why, the planning is how. Execution. Now it is go time. You and your team start executing the plan. The main role of a project manager during this phase is critical. Managing teams, tracking the progress, solving the problems as and when they come across. Monitoring and control. As the work progresses, you are constantly checking in and tracking the project progress. Also, keeping an eye on a budget and make the necessary adjustments to make sure project budget is on course. The last stage of a project management life cycle, closing. Finally, it's a wrap up. The product is ready for the delivery. Project manager ensures the documentation is done. What went well, what could have been improved. All the lessons learned during the phase are documented for the future references. Now, let's understand the project management process. It is pretty much similar to the 5 stages which we discussed. While all other projects are different, but the key steps remains the same. That is, defining the scope, developing the plan, executing the plan, track and adjust, and finally closing the project. One of the coolest things about the project management is the skill which you develop can be applied irrespective of the fields. Be it managing a marketing campaign or developing a software or overseeing a construction business. The basic principle of the project management remains the same. In fact, professional project managers work across various industries, taking their experience from one field and apply it in another field. It's all about managing the team, resources, and the time effectively, no matter what the project is. So, there you have it. Project management isn't just about checking out the boxes or meeting the deadlines. It's also about leadership, communication, and problem solving. Whether you want to become a project manager or just want to enhance your skill to manage your day-to-day tasks, understanding the principles will make a huge difference in your work. Now it's a wrap up. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more updates on professional project management. Till then, signing off, Venkatesh here.